back to another motherfucking video. If you don't know how I am, hello, my name is Erin, and why ain't you subscribed? Go ahead and click the subscribe button because we is on the way to 500 subscribers. If you don't know, period. So this is gonna be my maintenance vlog, and then we also gonna be doing a vlog. So we are going on a trip to Houston to see the TSU versus PV game. So yeah, we're gonna be staying out there for a minute just to see our friends and shit. So yeah, I almost forgot to start the vlog. That's why I'm outside right now. But I'm supposed to be getting my nails done today, and then my lashes, and then I'm doing my hair, and then I have to go get my toes fixed. So yeah, we have a little agenda on us or whatnot. So yeah, my friend is inside getting her nails done first, and then I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm gonna vlog a little bit of me getting my nails done. I'm gonna show y'all. And period. Stay tuned. Bye, buddies.
Nigga better turn me, nigga better turn me, yeah. Nigga better turn me, yeah. Nigga better turn me up, nigga better turn me up, yeah. Nigga better turn
your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lies.
The next day.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Hey bookies, we have made it to the European Wax Center to get our freaking Brazilian waxes. And I wasn't scared at first, but now I'm freaking scared. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how it go, or I'm gonna see if we can record in here. So yeah, bye. Okay. Y'all, whoever said go get a wax, don't do it. That shit hurts.
Okay, y'all.
It hurts so
bad.
bad.
Y'all, we got here, but we got here and we did it. And
Y'all, the pain wise, it's cool, but it's just unexpected. Like y'all don't know how y'all gonna feel. Like. Ooh. So we got a little.
and the person who did it, she was real cool.
Yeah, she was really
cool. So
sweet.
if you in this area, you know where we at. If you know where we at, but Brian at European Wax Center, go to her because she did her shit.
10 out of 10, and she's a very cool person.
And we got a little goodie bag. Hey y'all, so I got my lashes done. I'm gonna put her at, but yeah, they're cute, but y'all know I gotta get used to them because yeah, then my hair not done, so I gotta really get used to them. Okay y'all, so before I had an incident, these are my lashes, and we're finna go get our eyebrows done. And I'm gonna do my hair, but my hair, I gotta do a promo video, so yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how that go. I'm just gonna insert the promo clips into this, so yeah. This is what just fucking happened. My fucking nail broke. This is the third nail to break, and y'all, the nail broke from me holding my phone, and I pulled my nail back, and it just broke. I didn't even hit it. All right, y'all, we have made it to Uptown. We finna go get our eyebrows done. I'm finna get mine waxed. She's finna get hers threaded. We're going to Perfect Brow. Y'all, our lashes is fucking, well, this wind is helping right now, but our lashes is burning.
Just to get back before that I had days full of you.
So hopefully they don't fuck up my shit because I don't play up on my eyebrows.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around?
I got my eyebrows done. They look good.
Eyebrows done, like, gosh.
She's mad because everything is in pain right now. But yeah, we finna go get some McDonald's.
We have to eat, bro.
And I'm gonna get my toe fixed, and then y'all,
Do her hair.
I gotta do my hair. Y'all, we made it to the nail shop to get my toes fixed. I'm waiting on the mic. Hey. Y'all, we is at the nail place. Finna get my toes
You want the
fixed.
same color or you want white?
White.
Build you up in a tree.
Hey baby, so I'm editing right now and I realized that I don't have an outro for my maintenance vlog, so I just wanted to come over here and let y'all know, y'all, everything went bad. Like, I didn't even get to vlog in Houston because it was just too much. Like, it was a snowstorm and stuff, so yeah, we had to come back early. And then with the maintenance vlog, it was a lot of BS. Like, we got into it with the freaking toe person. We had to change toe people, so yeah, what are you looking at? But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and comment what y'all would like to see more. And yeah, bye guys.
I want it all night. I want it all night. Say it. I want it all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real.